Hi, I'm Lisa Gill from Douglas Elliman. We're here today at the Arden, located at 707 North Arden in the heart of Beverly Hills. We're on a beautiful tree-lined street in a highly desirable area called the Beverly Hills Flats. And behind us we have this beautiful estate. It's more like a compound. We have a main residence, 2 guest houses, and a 6-car garage. And with no further ado, let me take you behind the gates. Here we have a 1929 English Tudor Revival home designed by architect Carl Argenbright, who was a significant architect back in his days. And actually these type of homes were highly sought after by stockbrokers, and they used to call them the stockbroker houses in the 1920s. While the outside of the home is really impressive, once you walk inside, you'll see how truly magical the property is. Here we are in the grand foyer. The first thing you notice when you come in is these soaring high ceilings, which really sets the tone for the house. And you look at these beautiful wooden beams that are hand-carved detail, and you see they're carved with these beautiful faces, and you have this grand staircase, and it really sets the tone for the whole house. Here we are in the Grand Salon, which is what it was known for back in its day. The Hollywood elite would host all their friends for these large, fabulous gatherings. One of the standout features in this room is this beautiful hand-carved fireplace made out of French limestone in the south of France. You also have these exposed beam coffered ceilings, as well as the stained glass windows. Here we are in the sunroom, which is light infused throughout the day. And you have these beautiful leaded glass windows which perfectly frame the view of the manicured gardens. Some of the things you'll really notice in this room are the parquet floors, the built-in bookshelves, and you even have room for a baby grand piano to entertain all your friends. Here we are in the master bedroom, a true sanctuary. We have light pouring in from both sides. On the one side we have a bay window, and on this side we have this beautiful open-air patio with views of the garden, perfect for having a glass of wine uninterrupted and watching the sunset. And if you ask me, I would say the gardens are the best part of the house, so come on, let me show you. This is the real reason you buy this house. Walking through these grounds, you feel like this place should deserve its own passport, because you're no longer in LA. Let's start with the obvious, the pool right behind us. You have this beautiful limestone around the pool, and you have the fountains on top. You have mature vegetation, which really creates a sense of privacy. And then you have these beautiful manicured hedges that create that English countryside feel. On the opposite side, you have these lounge chairs, which is perfect for relaxing, having a glass of wine, and taking a dip in the pool. The immense scale of this house and its unique architectural history truly make this a European estate. Yet it's in one of the most desirable cities of America. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the Arden. Till next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?